Hello students, good morning. I'm Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 2, chapter 2, that is kinds of sentences. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the definition of sentence as well as the kinds. There are 5 kinds of sentences I have told you. Declarative sentence, that is also known as assertive sentences, an interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. After that, we were discussing the exercises in which I have completed the exercise number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Dear student, yesterday I had given homework question number 8 and 9 of exercise number 4. To complete it in your copy, in your notebook. I hope that maximum number of students have completed these 2 exercises. Exercise question number 8, 9 and 10. Okay students. So question number 8, I think I have completed question number 10, question number 8. But once again I am telling you question number 8. It is written in an easy language. Dear student, just open the page number 11 of English grammar book of Flamingo publication. This is your books. This is your book. Okay. We were doing the exercise number 4 and question number 8. I think I have completed the question number 8. But once again you will see, in this question you have to change the assertive sentence into interrogative cum negative. Dear student, yesterday I have told you what is interrogative cum negative. It means the sentence will be in interrogative form as well as in negative form both. Okay student, assertive sentences are given in your book and you have to convert that assertive sentence into interrogative cum negative. Okay student, we will see the question number 8. It is written in an easy language. So when we make interrogative sentence, we will start with the helping verb. So here what is helping verb in the sentence? Is. Then after subject, is it, and you have to use negative, so you will use not here. Is it not? Is it not written in an easy language? Written in an easy language. Easy language. Okay student, this is the correct answer. Is it not written in an easy language? This is the correct answer. Okay student, those who have already written, they will match. Those who did not complete, they will complete with the help of pencil in your book only. No need to write in the copy. Okay, now which I had given the homework question number 9 and 10. And those who have done, they will match, and those who did not complete, they will complete. The students are fond of reading it. The students are fond of reading it. I will only give you solution. I will not write the question on the board, and I will write the solution or answer, correct answer of the question on the board only. Okay, question number 9 is, the students are fond of reading it. Students are. Here, what is helping verb? Are. So, in the beginning, for making interrogative, we will use the word are, helping verb. Then after, what is subject here? The students. Are the students. Are the students. Then after, we will use negative word not, because we have to make the sentence negative cum interrogative. Therefore, we will use not here. Are the students not fond of reading it? Fond of reading it. Reading it. Okay, student? This is the correct answer. Just write down. This is the correct answer of the question number 9. Students are fond of reading it. Are the students not fond of reading it? Okay, this is the correct answer. Now come to the question number 10. Question number 10. What is the question number 10? It is my favorite book. Question number 10 is, it is my favorite book. What is helping verb? It. Is it? Then after, okay. Is it not? Okay. Negative word we will use. Is it not my favorite book? My favorite book. Then in the last, at the end of the sentence, we will use the question mark, because we are making interrogative cum negative. So it is compulsory that we should use the interrogative word. Interrogative word are helping verb in the beginning of the sentence, and we have to use negative word not in the sentence, and at the end of the sentence we will use the question mark. Okay, I hope that you all have understand these exercises. In this way we have completed exercise number 4. Now we will discuss the exercise number 5. Exercise number 5, we will see here. Change the following sentences into assertive or simple sentences. Sentences are given here. We have to change it in assertive sentence if it is already assertive. If there is not, then we will assertive. Then we will use simple sentence. As we have to change the sentences which is given in the books. We have to change into assertive or simple sentences. Okay, students, this is the question. Sentences are given here. This is the question. We have to convert the given sentences into assertive or simple sentences. Okay, students, this is the question. Now we will see the question. One question I will write on the board. Then after we will give the solution only. First question I am going to write. Just see. The school are not closed today. I am writing the question. You will not write. You will only watch. The school are not closed today. Are not closed today. Dear student, this is the sentence, and you have to convert this sentence into the assertive or simple. Dear student, this is already assertive sentence, but it is in negative form. Okay, it is negative sentence. So we have to convert the sentence into simple form. What would be the simple form? We have to remove only the word not. Okay, so correct answer will be the school. Sorry, there will be plural, schools. Okay, the schools are closed today. This is the correct answer. Okay, students, the sentence is in negative form and we have converted that sentence into simple sentences. Okay, we have removed the word not. Okay, so the correct answer will be the schools are closed today. Okay, this is the correct sentence. Okay, student, just write down. This is the exercise number 5 and question number 1. Just do it. And now we will do the next question. Question number 2. Those who have already written, they will not write. They will only watch the video for better understanding. Okay. Now, just see. Question number 2. Now we will do the question number 2 of exercise number 5. What is the question number 2? Will the match start well in time? Will the match, it is in interrogative form because it started with the helping verb will. So we have to change the sentences into assertive or simple sentences. So will the match start well in time? This is interrogative sentence and we have to convert this sentence into assertive. So we will do it. We will remove the will. First word we will remove and we will use that helping verb after the subject. Okay? Just see. The match, the correct answer will be the match will. Dear students, you also look at the page number 11. Questions are given there, and from there you will read the question. I am writing the correct answer. The match will. The question number 2 we were discussing. The match will start well. Start well in time. Okay, students, this is the correct answer of the question number 2. The question was, will the match start well in time? And we have to convert it into assertive sentence. In assertive form, the match will start well in time. At the end of the sentence, we will use the full stop. Now come to the question number 3. Dear student, question number 3 we will see. Is Kolkata the capital of West Bengal? This is also an interrogative sentence because it is used in the beginning. It is used the helping verb is, therefore, and at the end of the sentence it is used here question mark. Therefore, it is an interrogative sentence and we have to convert it into assertive sentence. So, first of all, we will write the subject Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. West Bengal. This is the correct answer. Okay, student, just write down. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is in assertive form. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. The boys were not playing cricket. It is already in assertive form, but it is negative sentence because here the word not is used, and we have to change it into the simple form, affirmative form. So the sentence will be, the correct sentence will be, I am going to write the correct sentence and you will also write in your book, the boys were playing cricket. The boys were playing. We will remove the word not. The boys were playing cricket. This is the correct sentence in assertive form. Now question number 5. Is she writing a story? Again, it is an interrogative sentence because here in the beginning helping verb is used, is, therefore it is an interrogative sentence and we have to convert it into assertive form. So the sentence will be, she is writing a story. She is writing a story. Okay, students, and at the end of the sentence we will use full stop because in assertive sentence we use full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, students, keep in your mind. And now question number 6. Now we will do the question number 6. Okay, those who have already written, they will match. Okay, question number 6 we will see. Question number 6. What is question number 6? Just look in the book, page number 11. Are the girls not making unwise? Dear students, here it is an interrogative cum negative sentence because in this sentence interrogative word, helping verb used in the beginning as well as negative word is also used. Therefore, it is an interrogative cum negative sentence, and you have to change it in assertive simple sentence. And now see, the correct sentence will be the girls are. In the beginning, we will use the subject, the girls. After that helping verb, the girls are, we will remove the not because we have to make the simple sentence, that is affirmative sentence. The girls are making a noise. The girls are making a noise. Okay, student, this is the correct sentence. Just do it in your book. Okay, students. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is what? The birds are not flying in the sky. This is the question. The birds are not flying in the sky. This is an assertive sentence, but it is in negative form. And you have to convert it into affirmative. And so we will remove the word not only. The birds are flying in the sky. The correct sentence will be the birds are flying in the sky. In the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. Question number 7. Now we will do the question number 8. Again, it is an assertive sentence, but it is in negative form. Question number 8 is, a hunter is not aiming at them. A hunter is not aiming at them. Negative word is used here. We have to remove it only. A hunter is aiming at them. A hunter is aiming at them. Okay, students, this is the correct sentence. We have to remove the negative word not for making affirmative or simple sentence. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understand. Now question number 9. Now we will do the question number 9. What is the question number 9? The birds have not, it is in negative form, hidden in the branches of the tree. We have to remove only the word not. The birds have not. The correct sentence will be the birds have not the birds have not. We will remove the word not because we have to make in affirmative form. The birds have hidden. The birds have hidden in the branches of the tree. In the branches of the tree. Of the tree. Okay, students? It is in assertive and simple form sentence. Okay, just see, the birds have hidden in the branches of the tree. Okay, students, complete it in your book. And there are only 2 more questions in this exercise. Now, question number 10. Now we will discuss the question number 10. Okay, just see question number 10. Now we will do the question number 10. Okay, sorry, 9 I have completed, 10. It is, has the hunter lost his hopes? Has. It starts with the helping verb, therefore it is an interrogative sentence, and we have to convert it into an assertive sentence. So the sentence, the correct sentence will be the hunter has. In the beginning, in the first, we will write the subject, the hunter. Okay, The hunter will, sorry, has is there. The hunter has lost his hope. Lost his hopes. At the end of the sentence, we will use the full stop. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11 is again, it is an interrogative sentence because it starts with the will. Question is, will he rest now? You can also look at your book. Question number 11, page number 11 also. And will he rest now? It is an interrogative sentence. We will change it into assertive sentence. So the sentence will be, he will rest. He will rest now. Okay, student? This is an assertive sentence. Okay? So complete it now. After that, we will discuss the optional question given in your book. Okay, student, just write down. I am giving you enough time to write. Now, we will do the optional question. Okay, students, optional question we will do. Just open the page number 11. Optional question. Now, tick the most appropriate option from the following. Here, types of sentence you have to tell. In the first question, the question is, do you know that man? The first question is, do you know that man? What kind of sentence? It starts with the helping verb, do. Therefore, what kind of sentence? Option is given also. Simple sentences, interrogative sentences, interrogative sentence, exclamation sentence, and request sentence. So here, at the end of the sentence, we are also watching that at the end of the sentence there is question mark, and it also starts with the word do, that is helping verb. So it is an interrogative sentence. So exercise optional number first, exercise first and question number first, and which one is correct? Option number B. What is option number B? Interrogative sentence is the correct option. You will tick on that. Interrogative. Okay, students? Interrogative sentence. This is the correct sentence, and there is a box in front of that. You will tick on that. Okay? Now, question number second. What is question number second? Just see, what a beautiful flower. It shows the feeling of surprise. Just see the sentence. What a beautiful flower. And at the end of the sentence, what is your exclamation sign? And it also shows the feeling of surprise. A strong feeling of surprise. So what kind of sentence? Option is given here. Interrogative sentence? No, because there is no question mark. Request sentence? No, there is no request at all. Simple sentences? No, this is also not a simple sentence, because in simple sentence we use the full stop at the end of the sentence. Exclamation sentence? Yes, good. That is exclamation sentence. It means option number 4, exclamatory sentence or exclamation sentence is the correct answer. Okay, exclamation sentence. This is the correct answer, and in front of that you will tick. Okay, option number D is correct. And turn the page. Question number 3 we will see. Question number 3. My mother is cooking food. My mother is cooking food. It is very simple sentence, and it is an assertive sentence. Okay, because at the end of the sentence we are also getting full stop, and there is no negative word, there is no exclamation sign, and there is no request at all. So it is a simple sentence. Option is given here. My mother is cooking food. Option first, simple sentence. option second interrogative sentence, option C request sentence, option D exclamation sentence. So correct sentence, the correct answer will be simple sentences. So question number third, option number first is correct, that is simple sentence. Okay students, you will also tick in your book in the front of the option simple sentence. And now question number 4. Please here the word please in the beginning used. So what kind of sentence? Where do we find the word please? In which kind of sentence? In imperative sentence. So here option is given, please shut the window, exclamation sentence, no. And request sentence, yes. So here option number B is the correct, request sentence. Okay, and other simple sentences, no. Interrogative sentences, no. So correct option will be request sentence. So here it is also known as imperative sentence. Here you can also write in your book, it is written request. So you will tick on the option number B, that is request sentence. Okay, just tick in front of the word, in front of the correct answer, a request sentence. Okay, question number 5. What is question number 5? Hooray. Here in the beginning exclamation word is used and exclamation sign also used. Hurrah, hooray. What it shows? It shows the feeling of joy, strong feeling of joy. Hurrah, we have won the match. What kind of sentence? I think you all have understand what kind of sentence. Interrogative sentence, exclamation sentence, yes, this is an exclamation sentence. Simple sentences, no. Request sentences, no. So option B is the correct, that is exclamation sentence. Okay, exclamation sentence, that is the correct option, and you will tick on that. Okay, question number 6. Okay students, do it also. Question number 6. The boy is not playing football. This is simple sentences, but it is in negative form. And request, the option is given here. Request sentence, exclamation sentence, interrogative sentence, simple negative sentence. Yes, good. That is negative sentence, because here not is used in the sentence. So option number D is the correct, that is simple negative or assertive negative, we can say negative sentence. This is the correct option, and you will tick on that. Okay, question number 7. Please give me a glass of water. Please is used here, therefore what kind of sentence? Request. Of exclamation sentence, no. Simple sentence, no. Request sentence, yes. Interrogative sentence, no. So here option number C, question number 7, option number C is correct, because the sentence is please give me a glass of water. It is a kind of request. So here request sentence is the correct option. Request sentence. Okay students, that is the correct option. And question number 8. Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Here again question word used here, why. So what kind of sentence? Interrogative sentence. So first option is the correct. Question number 8, first option is given interrogative sentence. You will tick on that, interrogative sentence. Okay students, that is the correct option, interrogative sentence. Okay students, just do it. And dear students, I am giving you, there are 2 more questions. I am giving you homework. Okay, question number 9 and 10 you will do by your own. Okay, question number 9, alas, very simple. What kind of sentence? You all know. You will do it by your own. and he went to the door. That is also very simple. And this question number 9 and 10 of optional question is your homework, you will do. Okay students, in this way your chapter number 2 kinds of sentences has been completed. Okay students, in the next class we will discuss the next topic. Okay, next chapter. Thank you for today.